What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. As you can see, it's mail time again, and I ordered the Novistretch front bumper mask for the Hellcat. It's a Challenger on the cover, but on the box, but you can see this thing says fits all. Challengers, Chargers, Magnums, and 300s. But yeah, I got this off of eBay. I tried to order from Novistretch and something called Modifex, but they were all back ordered, so I ordered it from eBay. Same product, it's legit and everything. Same price, won't cheaper or anything. I'm gonna put a link in the description. But this video is more install, pretty easy install, well, real easy install. What I've seen, like, shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes tops. Let's open it up and show you what it looked like. So the material, man, it just feel like some spandex. That's all it feel like. Guess these clip on something. I know it's supposed to. I heard it's supposed to hook a clip on it. We got a Velcro piece, and then a button. Instructions. Pretty easy install. That's what it comes with. But yeah, let's head to the garage and I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, first you want to make sure your car is clean before you do this install in Novistretch. That's like one of the first things say on the instructions. So I just got done cleaning the car. Okay, so first you need to pop off these clips. And what I did, I just put the whole flatness and pull it out. On the top part though, it's like a clip to get to the second one. So you're gonna push it in and then pop out. So then you just take one of these, like I already did right here. Take one of these that come with the kit and you just slide it on there for these to screw in that came with it. Once you do that, you just put the clip back and you screw this in. Simply put it in. And then get you a screwdriver and screw it in tight. And once you get these in, just go repeat on the other side. Repeat the same process. After you got your clips installed, just gonna pop your hood. Just find these things right here. And you're gonna hook these pieces on the Novistretch. You're gonna put them on there. After you done hook them, you're gonna find the pins and connect them to the screws that you put in on the side. The tire wheel. One. Do the same thing to the other side. Damn, that shit really stretching. Oh, yeah. Switch hands. Tripping. So once you got them hooked on to the buttons, attached to the buttons, whatever, you want to find the Velcro strip that came with the kit. Get you some alcohol, microfiber, a little rag, anything, whatever you want to use. Find the middle. It's a Velcro piece. attach the Velcro strap. Some alcohol. You're gonna spray up under the plastic to keep it. Clean it. You honestly don't even gotta do this. The bolts and everything it's on here tight as on there what so far. As long as it lets you don't pull it. But it'll be perfectly fine sitting like that, but you're on the safe side. So pull the tape off. Trying to do this with one hand. It's pretty good tight. That's pretty much it. Easy install. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes tops, I guess. All right, remember to like and subscribe. See y'all next time.